Good afternoon, students. Now we are going to discuss the subject about robotics and machine vision system. So, what is robotics? Robot, which means that you may think first. So, robot is a think what is maybe the robot. So, what are all the actions the human can do that we are going to mimic? So, mimic that action we are going to implement many machines. In that, one kind of thing is called as robotics. So, these are the different kind of robotics, types of robotics you may see, like humanoid robot, swarm robot, and Zemo, and also dynamics. See the industrial robotics. So, there are wide variety of robotics that is used in the current industrial fields. So when I say the robots, what are the parts comes in your mind? So these are the main three parts of the robots: body, arm, and vision system. Okay, these are the main parts of the robots. Next, so this is our model one syllabus. So we are going to discuss in the detail in upcoming classes. See the introduction to robot laws of robot, and robot anatomy. What is work one, drive system, precision movements, and end effectors. These are all the topics we are going to discuss. So first, this is module 2. Module 2 complete of robot kinematics. This is module 2 syllabus. So kinematics names is the matrix representation of a point, vector, or body. Then how the particular robot will transform from one particular point to another point, and forward and reverse kinematics. Last we are going to discuss about the trajectory plan. Then model 3 comprises of completely the vision system. So how the robot will recognize the components and visions like the component has a fault or normal. So this is completely the machine vision process. So the textbook we are going to follow is the Science PDQ, Introduction to Robotics and the Industrial Robotics by MP Gruber, and the King Fu, the Robot and Control System. These are three textbooks we are going to discuss. And the reference book will be the Satya Naranjan and Robin Murphy is the reference book. So this book you can get it from your Google Classroom. So when we see the robot, you can see all this kind of robots you can able to design in a particular in this course. After completion of this course, you can able to design all these things. So you will have a wide variety, get knowledge through the human robots, industrial robot, and mobile, medical, and micro. So module 1, the basics of robotics. So first we will see about the introduction and the laws of robot and why the robot will be used and the basic components and robot anatomy. So first we will see what is robot. Robot, the term which is coined from the Swiss word, it meaning of forced slave labor. So it is introduced in the 1921 by the Karel Kaplan. He is introduced the robot. Next, the robot. If we say the definition, the robot defined by the ISO and RID. ISO says it an automatically controlled, reprogrammable, multifunctional, manipulated, programmable in three or more axes, which can be either in the fixed or movable place. This is the definition by the ISO. And the same thing, we will see the RIA, Robot Institute of America, their definitions of the robots. So next, the laws of robot. The every robot we can manufacture in nowadays, we need to follow these three laws. First law, it should not injure the human being. That's the main factor, because we can manufacture any kind of robot, it should not harm the human. Then it must obey the orders. Whatever the order we are going to give, that's it need to obey the orders. Next, third law, it must protect itself. So there are the three laws of robot. The robots need to follow. And we see the applications of robot. So we can say the three D's of robot: dangerous and dirty and difficult jobs. So this is the main part which we can propose the robots to the various classes. Other than that, we can use the welding, industrial, we can place manufacturing and high precision, like surgery, precision, all those things we can manage. So then next class we will discuss about the basic components of robots. Thank you.